Ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here. I'm pretty sure by that purple sticker you know what this is. It is my Acuity short shifter. And also my stock replica wing, since my other wing is now gone. So I'm going through all this stuff that Acuity gives you, and I noticed this little air freshener here. It's kind of funny because, you know, purple is Acuity's signature color, but I guess these guys got jokes since they give you apparently a purple lean air freshener. That's funny. I do not condone any use of lean or anything like that. Like I said before, man, apparently Acuity's got jokes. That's pretty cool, actually. It's always good to use car parts that not only perform well, but are good quality as well. Pretty neat stuff they give you here. Oh man, fun times when you're ripping your car apart. Check it out, guys, in case you're wondering what it looks like underneath here. And in case you're also wondering how I know how to install this, I'm actually following Kevin's detailed install guide. Basically, Dapper SI has a detailed install guide that he did for Acuity that'll show you exactly how to do this. I'll link it in the description below. Dude, this thing is quality. It's metal, it's not that cheap plastic. It's adjustable. You can literally put this however the heck you want. I have mine set just like Dapper SI's. Shortest throw, shortest gate. Let's go. At first I was questioning like why other YouTubers leave like this exposed, but honestly I can see why now. It's a very high quality product. It looks nice. They give you all these cool like pieces of hardware like these bolts and whatnot. I might actually do the same thing. I might leave it exposed. Why not? So I just finished the installation. I was actually going to leave it exposed, but then I thought about it. It's my daily driver. I don't want stuff falling in there and living underneath my center console, like, you know, like flakes of like food and leaves and stuff like that. So I put the boot back on, but I did leave it on top of the black piece here, and I put the height adjuster here so I can always adjust the height whenever I want to, because I pre-tested the throw, and the throw actually feels very satisfactory. So I'll just leave it in the shortest setting. I'll keep my energy shift knob on with the color shift, which is purple, by the way, their signature color. I did not do that on purpose, it just worked out that way. And there it is. I actually have it set on the tallest setting. You can basically use these lines to determine how you want it. I tried it at 1. It was really cool, but I kind of like to have it a little close to me, so I left it at 5, the maximum, and I tightened it down and it's ready to go. You can actually twist this piece so it can be an inch in front of you or an inch behind you. I left it closer to me, so I can easily reach it. Do I recommend this? Absolutely. This honestly should have been the very first mod I've ever done. It's what should have been more or less the shifter that it came with from the factory. Absolutely recommend these guys. Quality, great build, awesome marketing, funny gags, a lot of goodies, stickers, all that cool stuff. Acuity all the way, man.